I appreciate the flaws, man, but you know you always gotta say something for yourself. I know you always got something in your back pocket. All right, Squiddy, put it on you later, man. I'm gonna kick back, read the mail, and go back to some local talking. Squiddy, most Squiddy, squirt, fatty, gone, break. Hey, cool change. I don't want what's in your pocket, cotton picker. I'm scared you might pull out a Ulu. Take it, my friend. Cool change around the garden. Have a blessed weekend, my friend. Stay dry, stay warm. Cool change, old fatty around the south side. Break.
Hey, fatty. That's why I think Cool Change got a hole in his pocket. Hey, fatty. I think Cool Change got a hole in his pocket there too, Paul.
410, you said you got a hole in his pocket, man. I hope not, there. He might be reaching a little farther than his pocket. 410?
Yeah, I know you see he's talking on a pocket radio, but just make sure he ain't got a hole in his pocket. And
Bye, cool change.
Down in the goodie store. Alright, there's fatty. Bulldozer got there.
Bye, Dozer. Put it on you later. D9. I'll see ya.
The fatty. Reflex. And I'm gone.
I'll see ya.
And around a car going. By D9, eyeballs, mobile with those. 393 in the red attack. Quick. Good day. By those eyeballs, mobile with those. As quick as they come, as quick as they go. Alright, no Roger, no get back. D9, eyeball.
But I'm always here.
Alright, eyeballs, I hear you in there too, mate. Hey, Mr. Worldwide Eyeballs, but a lot of traffic, man. Eyeballs in between. Bulldozer, quickly. Alright, Bulldozer, welcome to the weekend time, man. All you just doing a little commuting around Honolulu. Those eyeballs, mobile, gone. Alright, you're doing your thing out of Honolulu there, eyeballs. Good to see ya. Eyeballs, I'm looking at ya. Quick. Hello. It's going good down here too, eyeballs, man. I was Squiddy dropping his load and letting you know he's standing by.
Hey, Squiddy, you dropping your load? You need some toilet paper, Squiddy?
Well, I'm trying to drop my load to eyeballs there, man, but maybe he's right on. Maybe he's got his eyeballs open there, man, but his ears stacked there. Hello, Fatcat, Squiddy standing by.
Oh, just checking, man. I figured you needed some toilet paper while you drop that load, Compicker. Don't drop it in a man's eye. I'll see ya.
Well, I do want to drop it on eyeballs, Compicker there, man. It's going to say a lot of eyeballs there, big brother. But I guarantee you, you dropping your load there, man. I guess all eyeballs will be getting pumped out right about now. I'm standing by.
I was waiting for him key, man. I guess he don't want to key no more. Take care, Squiddy. Most Squiddy, fatty. Break.
Well, I'm not too sure that is it. Don't know if that one I want. You put that hammer down, the big boy. Leave now.
Bye, Squiddy. Hey, watch out for that mini hammer. He's sneaking in his punches. Hello, mini hammer 750. Hello, 750. Fatty with the wave. Break.
Hello, Fatty. He punched himself in the face. Hey, Fatty. So he's taking him out tonight. Take care, Fatty.
Hey, D9. Now I might make them punching themselves in the face. D9, fatty.
That's right. He punched himself in the face. He knocked himself out. Quick. Fatcat 750 chicken in there, bacon.
Right there, 750. Yo, watch out. They be mean today. Hello, 750 with the mini hammer. It's been a long time. 750. Enjoy the beautiful weekend. And D9. Checking my reflex. Break.
This way, these mud runners want to play the end of the road jump. Look out, bomb.
Bomb. Bye. Bye, 750. I'll see ya. Hey man, I'm gonna lay out the pecking order right now. It's D9, Squiddy, and 750. That's what it's doing right now. That's what Mother Nature's calling it. But I hear all three of you both all sounding grand in a band. 750, Squiddy, and a D9, Fatty, and more Fatty in the grass. Break.
Have a cold beer. Hey, Fatty.
Man, hey, here you guys go, man. I ain't gonna tell you, you guys just hear it. And that's what's going down in the world of sound. Bum.
Appreciate that, Fatcat.
Hey, that pecking order moved around a little. Somebody picked up from the bottom. Check it out. Hey, Bulldozer, you slow key cutting picker. I hear you guys all sounding grand on the band. Take your 750 once again. Squiddy, and old D9, he's checking his reflex. I'll see ya.
Fatcat, I can play key. Hey, Fatcat. One thing about this just like a station, I can play key, man. Hello, Mr. Worldwide Fatcat. Bulldozer.
And he's slow key, D9, he's slow key. Check it out. And that's what's going on in my radio. Break.
Alright, Fatty, I gotta get on out of the way, man. Fatty, take care. Keep on that tape recorder. One great thing, I'm back to the store and demolition man. Refrigerator, and I'm a Cody. I'll see you. Bye.
4-hour, man. Hey, I'll have this up on the video gate tonight, man. And you guys can check it out for yourself. One more time, one last play. Old Fatty said stand on by. Take your D9, take your Squiddy, take your 750. I'm going to let things cool down around my end. Bump it on you later. Take it for the airtime, gentlemen. I'll put it on you later. Old Fatty, more Fatty in Honolulu. Got down. Break.
Fatty, more Fatty. Slam his head with the refrigerator door. Hey, Fatty, while that stuff.
Bye guys. I got some kind of picker coming out of Yokohama, man, trying to run with your boys. Put it on you later, old Fatty. Going back 10-6, read up on his mail. Bye. Boo.
Alright, Fatty, you take care, man. Get a jungle noise out there too. Hello, Simon.